One of the ways to tell if you have a leak is the pressure differential on a regulated gun. This one is showing less than 50 bar on the high pressure side. This one is showing 90 bar on the regulated side. The regulator sits right here. This is the plenum that feeds into here. I have a leak on the high pressure side. That leak is going to be on one of these two O-rings, because here's the plenum with the regulator, here's the high pressure side up here. Also, you will see bubbles as shown in another part of the video of where this leaks, but this is a slow leak. It's going to be right there. But like I said, this one's showing 90. This one's showing less than 50. Okay, another way you can find out if you have a leak, and this works on any pre-charged air gun, is every place that you have a seam where the pressure tube meets another piece of equipment, or there's a joint, using a very lightweight silicone oil, put a few drops somewhere and let it see what happens. I use RC shock oil. As you can see, we've got a leak. On this one over here, I do not have a leak. On this one over here where the valve is, I do not have a leak. On the pressure cap where the fill cap is, I do not have a leak. You can let it run all the way around if you wish. But right here, there's my culprit. Doesn't leak much. Takes 3 or 4 days, maybe a week, to leak down from 3,000 psi. So the gun's still shootable, but it does need to be fixed. And that can be applied to any pre-charged air rifle of how to find a leak. Please remember, this is a pre-production gun that was manufactured in March of 2021. Serial number 34. This gun was sent out to testers to evaluate and to torture test to find out any shortcomings of the gun before they went into final production. This gun has many rounds fired through it, and the original production guns O-rings were not up to standards that are in the current production guns now.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.